Welcome, Bestway Motors, to a journey into the world of the all-new 2024 Dacia Duster. This iconic SUV has been conquering hearts and roads across Europe for years, and its latest iteration promises to be even more capable and exciting. So, buckle up and get ready to explore. Exterior. The first thing that strikes you about the 2024 Duster is its bold and rugged exterior. The redesigned grille with the prominent Dacia logo exudes confidence, while the sleek LED headlights pierce through the darkness with a piercing gaze. The overall design feels contemporary and assertive, perfectly capturing the adventurous spirit of the Duster. From the side profile, the Duster continues to impress with its sculpted lines and muscular stance. The increased ground clearance hints at its off-road prowess, while the stylish alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. No matter where the road takes you, the Duster's exterior is sure to turn heads. Interior. Stepping inside the 2024 Duster reveals a completely revamped interior that feels significantly more modern and upscale than its predecessor. The dashboard now boasts an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, providing seamless access to your favorite features and applications. The driver-centric instrument cluster offers all the essential driving information at a glance, keeping you focused on the road ahead. The materials used throughout the cabin are of higher quality, creating a comfortable and inviting environment for both the driver and passengers. Whether you're taking a long road trip or simply running errands around town, the Duster's interior will make every journey enjoyable. Performance. The 2024 Duster comes equipped with a range of powerful and efficient engine options. Whether you choose the proven gasoline or diesel engines, or the innovative hybrid powertrain, you'll be impressed by the Duster's performance. The hybrid variant combines a 1.6-liter gasoline engine with two electric motors, delivering a combined 140 horsepower. This eco-friendly option offers outstanding fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, making the Duster even more responsible and environmentally conscious. The 2024 Dacia Duster is more than just an SUV. It's an adventure companion. It's the perfect vehicle for exploring the great outdoors, taking on challenging roads, and creating unforgettable memories. With its bold design, comfortable interior, impressive performance, and commitment to sustainability, the Duster is sure to exceed your expectations and become your trusted partner in every adventure. Thank you for joining me.